Masonry versus concrete blocks for load-bearing walls. Welcome to Blueprint to Reality, where we explore the science behind construction materials and techniques. Today, we're comparing traditional masonry and concrete blocks for load-bearing walls. Both materials have played a significant role in construction, but how do they differ in terms of strength, durability, cost, and sustainability? Let's break it down. Composition and manufacturing. Masonry refers to brick, stone, or concrete block construction, bonded together with mortar to form durable walls. Traditional bricks are made from clay, which is molded and fired at high temperatures. This process makes bricks highly durable and weather-resistant. Stone masonry, on the other hand, utilizes natural stones, such as granite or limestone, stacked and mortared together. Concrete blocks, also known as CMUs, concrete masonry units, are made from a mixture of cement, sand, and aggregates, which are cast into uniform rectangular shapes. These blocks can be solid or hollow, with the latter being more common for weight reduction and improved insulation. Unlike traditional bricks, concrete blocks are manufactured in large sizes, making them faster to install. Strength and structural performance. Both masonry and concrete blocks are capable of supporting heavy loads, but their structural properties differ. Brick masonry is known for its compressive strength, making it ideal for multi-story buildings and long-lasting walls. However, bricks are small and require more mortar joints, which can reduce overall uniformity and increase labor costs. Stone masonry, while incredibly strong, is often used for aesthetic or specialized applications due to the difficulty of cutting and shaping natural stone. Concrete blocks, in contrast, offer high compressive strength and dimensional uniformity. Because of their larger size, fewer joints are needed, reducing weak points and improving structural integrity. Reinforced concrete block walls, where steel bars and grout are placed inside the hollow cores, provide additional tensile strength, making them highly resistant to lateral forces such as wind and earthquakes. Construction efficiency and cost. One of the biggest advantages of concrete blocks is speed of construction. Due to their larger size, fewer blocks are needed to build a wall compared to bricks, reducing labor time and costs. The uniformity of CMUs also makes it easier to apply finishes like plaster or stucco. Additionally, since concrete blocks are manufactured in controlled environments, their quality is more consistent than traditional bricks, which may vary based on the clay source and firing process. Masonry, especially brick masonry, is more labor-intensive and time-consuming. The smaller size of bricks requires more mortar joints and careful alignment, increasing construction time and costs. However, brick masonry provides aesthetic appeal and heritage value, making it a preferred choice for decorative or high-end projects. Stone masonry, due to its complex cutting and placement requirements, is the most expensive option and is typically reserved for specialized or historical restoration projects. Durability and weather resistance. Both materials are durable, but their performance in harsh weather conditions varies. Bricks have a high resistance to fire, moisture, and extreme temperatures, making them a great choice for long-term durability. However, bricks can absorb water, leading to potential deterioration over time if not properly maintained. Concrete blocks are highly resistant to moisture, fire, and pests, making them a durable choice for load-bearing walls. Hollow CMUs can be filled with insulating materials, improving their thermal performance in both hot and cold climates. However, concrete blocks can be susceptible to cracking due to shrinkage, and proper reinforcement is required to prevent structural failure in seismic-prone areas. Sustainability and environmental impact. Sustainability is an important factor in material selection. Brick and stone masonry require energy-intensive production processes, especially for clay bricks that must be kiln-fired. However, brick buildings have long lifespans, reducing the need for frequent replacements. Additionally, reclaimed bricks from old buildings can be reused in new construction, minimizing waste. Concrete blocks are made from cement, a material known for its high carbon footprint due to CO2 emissions during production. However, CMUs are often manufactured locally and can incorporate recycled materials such as fly ash or slag, reducing their environmental impact. Additionally, innovations in low-carbon concrete are making CMUs a more eco-friendly choice. Seismic and fire performance. In earthquake-prone areas, reinforced concrete block walls perform better than unreinforced masonry. Since hollow CMUs can be filled with steel reinforcement and grout, they provide superior lateral strength, making them a safer option for seismic zones. Brick and stone masonry, if unreinforced, are more vulnerable to collapse during an earthquake. When it comes to fire resistance, both materials perform well. Brick masonry has a natural fire-resistant quality, as bricks can withstand extremely high temperatures without degrading. Concrete blocks also offer excellent fire resistance, with some block types rated for fireproof construction. Choosing the right material for load-bearing walls. The choice between masonry and concrete blocks depends on several factors, including cost, speed of construction, structural requirements, and aesthetic preferences. Brick and stone masonry offer timeless beauty and long-lasting durability, but require more labor and cost. Concrete blocks, on the other hand, provide strength, efficiency, and flexibility, making them an excellent choice for modern construction projects. Thanks for watching Blueprint to Reality. If you found this comparison useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more engineering insights. See you in the next video.